Bekubanjwe inkonzo yokugqibela igqala lomzabalazo elingasekhoyo uBaw'uThomas Manthata namhlanje. Umfi ukhunjulwe ngegalelo lakhe ekulweni nenkqubo yengcinezelo nendima ayidlalayo kwikomishoni yenyaniso noxolelwaniso kweli. uBaw'uManthata usweleke ngoLwesihlanu vek'iphelileyo ngenxa yentsholongwane yecorona. Ulandulele eli ekwisibhedlele i-1 military ePitoli eneminyaka engama-80.
None of us can complain as we celebrate his life that we didn't have a great part of him, because we did. He's a wonderful brother, wonderful friend, faithful husband, loving father. And really, I think for me, in conclusion, if I were to be asked what in a human being physically represents the wonderful South African concept of Ubuntu, I would say in physical and human terms, a life and a person such as Tom reflect that concept.
Tom, your Tom, was a wonderful, wonderful person. But you thought you couldn't say boo to a goose until you found out just how deeply committed he was to the liberation of our people, shown by the fact that he and others spent so much time on Robben Island. Tom was gentle but strong. And it was a great privilege for me to be his boss, as it were, when we all worked for the South African Council of Churches.
Tom was a giant in the struggle for freedom and social justice. I have been honored and inspired to have been his friend for more than 60 years. Fellow Catholic activists from the 1960s onwards, Frankie Cornell, Jean Tiaek, Donovan and Ethelyn Laurie, join me in paying tribute to his lifelong work.